Hello and welcome to Before Exams. Here we help you to prepare for your competitive examinations. Subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post the content about your exam, you get the notification about it. Hello and welcome to this course of IELTS. First of all, if you are listening to this lecture and you are seeing this video, uh, I would like to congratulate you for reaching this far in this reading section. Now, we'll be starting with the reading section here. We'll be doing that what all reading section is about. Then we'll be doing the types of questions. Then we'll be doing the strategies for each type of question. And then homework exercise will be there in the lectures. Okay, so let's just see that what we'll be learning here. First of all, we'll be learning what is the overview of IELTS reading section. Then we'll be learning skills on which a candidate is assessed and band descriptors, which are very, very important for you. So overview. Now, IELTS reading section, the purpose of IELTS reading section is to test the candidate's skill set of reading English and answering the question according to the understanding. So there will be some passages which will be given, the unseen passages which will be given, and then there will be different type of questions which will be asked according to the information given in the passage. You have to answer the questions according to the information given in the passage. So it is just like the unseen passages that you have been doing in your school in the English subject. So you would remember that there is there used to be the unseen passages and they're followed by some questions. So it is same. The only thing is the kind of questions will change a bit and you have to work according to that. This reading section, this will be of 60 minutes. Now, unlike the listening section, extra 10 minutes will not be provided to transfer the answers in your answer sheet. It will be a total of 60 minutes and you have to transfer the answers in your answer sheet in that 60 minutes only. Some candidates have the idea that just like listening section in which there are 10 minutes which are provided, extra 10 minutes which are provided to transfer the answers, just like that in reading section also 10 minutes will be provided, but it's not like that. A total of 60 minutes is given. Then there will be 4 or 5 passages followed by questions. It's not mandatory that it will be 4 passages or 5 passages. It could be 3, it could be 4, it could be 5. There'll be a total questions of the paper will be of 40 questions in total, and you have to answer all the questions and try to score as much as possible to get the maximum bands. Okay, so what are the skills which are tested on in IELTS exam? First thing which is tested is understanding. How well have you understood the text that has been given in the exam? So you have to read the passage and then they will check your understanding, how well you have understood it. It is basically the degree of understanding of the text in detail. And then skimming and scanning. Now, skimming and scanning means figuring out the information from the text. So in the text, there will be some key informations which will be provided, like there will be dates, there will be adjectives, nouns which will be provided. So you have to figure out that key information. Basically, skimming and scanning means to read the whole text carefully and quickly. So if you'll keep on reading the text, if you'll give time on reading the text, then time will go just like this and you will not be able to attempt all the questions. That is 40 questions in total. So you require to skim and scan. That is, you require to check that what is the information, what is the important information which is given in your text in the exam. And then you have, so what you can do is you can just mark this and you have to get the central idea of the text and then you have to find the answers. Okay, so basically In short, skimming and scanning will be to read the text carefully by just figuring out the important information given in the text. Then comes the scoring part of IELTS. In IELTS reading, 1 mark is given for each correct answer, just like the listening section, and there is 0 for incorrect answer. So that is, there is no negative marking. So I would suggest you to guess the answer if you are unsure of a question, because there is no negative marking. There are chances that you could get marks for it. So always attempt all the questions. This will help you to gain maximum marks. Now let's talk about the band descriptors of IELTS reading exam. This is the table for band descriptors. If you get 40 correct answers, you get 9 band. If you get 38 or 39 correct answer, you get 8.5 band. 35 to 37 will fetch you 8 band. 33 to 34 will lead to 7.5 band. 30 to 32 will give you 7 bands, and so on. So you can just look that what is your target and you have to work according to that. Okay, so this is the overview of IELTS reading exam. What all you will be getting, what will be the time which will be provided to you, what are the scoring patterns. We'll be learning about different types of questions and how to attempt that in the upcoming lectures. I hope the overview of IELTS reading is clear to you. That will be enough for today. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.